Alright guys, let's finish this. No, it's not really long, probably not really that interesting, but oh well. At least it's something.
Is clearly much too dangerous to be set free. He must be destroyed.
You know, I gotta get me one of those battle suits, Juanita.
That's that. Not really that hard. Alright. Oh.
Ratchet, when you are ready.
Yes. Oh. Now on to the final either 2 or 3 challenges. I think it's 3. It's yeah, 3. Swarmer Surprise. Nothing but swarmers and the Arbiter.
They say war is hell, Juanita, but where does that leave Dreadzone, huh? Ratchet's got this match on ice, ladies and gentlemen. The juice is cold, and the generic brand X skeleton is definitely jiggling.
spent last time doing that. Alright. Accelerator.
Mom always said what doesn't kill you only makes you stronger. On Red Zone, what does kill you gets us better ratings. Yeah! In this round, Ratchet will run and shoot faster and faster with each opponent he defeats. I wonder what Mom would think of that.
Fire. Literally. Look at him, I'm on fire. Alright, no stupid joke.
Oh man, these guys are hot. Did you feel that wanting them?
Yeah, you can go really fast the more enemies you kill, and you shoot faster too. It kinda looks like I'm fast forwarding the video right now, but I'm not. I never ever use video editing. Except for the videos in the special playlist. The ones that like my introduction video, stuff like that. But other than that, I never use video editing. Now on to the final challenge. And I'm kind of happy because I'm ready to get on to the next guide. But then again, it's kind of like, I don't know. The last one, Ace Hardlight Battle. And that will be the end of Deadlocked.
This is as far as you go, Lombax. I'm the star around here. That one actually hurt.
Seen the Diablo in the pale moonlight? I have, and it's fantastic!
I've always thought the world needed more of me, and now they get it. You little rodent, you're gonna pay for that. Now you'll see why they call me the Blue One. Must fight. Ignore pain. I'm out of med packs. But not that I need them. Hey, Lombax, do you feel lucky?
That's that. That's the end of the Deadlocked Tournament guide. So, next will be Jak II guide.